Yo, what is going on, guys? This video today is going to be showing you how to get admin commands in Still a Brainrot Roblox for free. This is working in 2026, uses a secret code that you can redeem in Still a Brainrot, and it is going to give you access to the admin panel for completely free. So guys, before I show you this method, I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway, and to enter you simply have to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'm going to be choosing a ton of people to give Robux to. But anyway, this method of getting admin commands in Still a Brainrot literally takes a few minutes, guys, and it is a code you can redeem in game. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get this admin panel access for free. So you need to use your mobile phone internet browser to obtain your Still a Brainrot Roblox code. So as you can see, I've opened up my Safari browser on my iPhone, but you can do this on Android, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it like this to take you to Crash Coupons, and I've been using this website for pretty much every Roblox game. I used to use these quite a lot for Still a Brainrot, and then they added this admin commands, and I thought it was awesome. So use the search bar, guys, to navigate your way to the Still a Brainrot Roblox codes page here. Now there are currently 6 working codes. So what you need to do is scroll down and look for the admin panel code. So the admin commands code, get access to the admin panel for free. So click on get code. As you can see, this is a limited code, but there are a bunch of codes remaining. So as long as you can find this page on Crash Coupons, that means there's still codes for you to use. So click on show full code, and this is going to allocate you a working Still a Brainrot code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to unlock the admin commands. Okay, so it's found a valid code. Now I did this earlier, so I won't be able to do it again because it does limit one of these limited codes per person. As you can see, this code is currently hidden. Now you need to unlock your code. So what you need to do is click on this get full code button, and it's going to bring you to this page here, guys. Now this takes about 5 minutes, but you can follow the instructions here to unlock your code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below, and that is going to get you your Crash Coupons code, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each one. So on this page, these are mostly like mobile apps and games, and they're completely free. You just need to read the instructions, because that basically tells you what you need to do. There are things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games, following the instructions. So really easy, guys. There's even like free surveys as well. So just complete 2 of those, and then once you do that, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Still a Brainrot code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get admin commands for free in Still a Brainrot, and that's working right now in 2026. So go to Crash Coupons, and then search in the search bar for the Still a Brainrot Roblox codes page, and go ahead and select the admin commands code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one.